Jesus, I'm just really enjoying this conversation with you. You're just so easy to talk to, such a great listener. The next thing I want to address is that one of our Sunday school teachers, said that his feelings were hurt because you said some things in his class. You called him out because he suggested that the 7 days of creation might have actually not been 7 literal days, that it could have been millions of years long rather than 7 literal days. There are so many theories about creation, and we know the Word of God tells us that it happened in 7 days, but let's just agree to disagree on that one. It's just so divisive. We are the church of peace and unity, so let's just work toward that goal. The other thing he said, he also said that you corrected him when he made a comment about how a person practicing homosexuality can go to heaven as long as he believes in Jesus. He said that you said that such a person, if they were unrepentant, was obviously following a false Jesus who just overlooks sin and tolerates anything. That didn't go over so well. I think you made the whole class just kind of uncomfortable. And this Bible teacher said that you had quoted some scriptures like Romans 1:26, 1 Corinthians 6:9-10, Revelation 21, verse 8. Let me just take a minute to just say that I am so impressed with your knowledge of the Bible. It's like you're one with the words of the Bible. You just have perfect peace and unity with the Bible. But you have to understand that our Bible teachers also really know the Bible well. Almost all of them have been through seminary. And if you've ever been to seminary, which I know you haven't, you just haven't had that opportunity, you would know that those passages that you mentioned need to be read in context. Times have changed. Many of those verses don't even apply to our lives today. So let's just agree to disagree and keep silent. When you're in Bible study class, keep the peace and unity, because that's what our church is all about. And you can avoid most conflict in your life. You might have even been able to avoid all those instances in the Bible when people were trying to stone you and throw you off a cliff, and then they crucified you. All of that could have been completely avoided if you just followed our ways.